How to activate public bank credit card. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. Today we are going to walk you through the process of activating your brand new public bank credit card. For that, open up a browser and in the search bar search for public bank credit card and give it a search. You have to tap on the first suggestion, that is the card application from the official webpage of public bank. Right here you have to check for your eligibility. If you want a credit card, you must be 21 and above. If you want your self-debit card, you have to be 18 and above, and you will need a valid identity document of My Card or password and or active mobile number to receive SMS. Ensure that you have the identity document, income document, and work permit. Once you ensure that you have all of the eligibility criteria and the document, select Apply Now. From here, you will find various of cards that you can apply based on your preference. Select any and tap on the Proceed bubble. On to the next step, you have to fill out this form. Enter your full name as per your ID type and ID number. Enter a Malaysian or Singaporean number and then tap on Proceed. You will get an OTP code for verification. Once your account is verified, your card will be verified and activated as well. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.